All the production people are such skilled people. The directors are so cool to work with. As an actor, हमें homework करके तो जाना ही पड़ता है before we present us. I'm gonna be nervous only about my acting if I'm gonna perform. Writers हमारे इतने brilliant हैं that they're gonna bring some great amount of entertainment. So I watched each and every episode still now for the Choti Sardani.
शोज में लीप आना एक बहुत ही आम सी बात है, लेकिन 20 साल का लीप वाकई में स्टोरीज को कंप्लीटली बदल देता है। और वैसा ही कुछ हुआ है छोटी सरदारनी के साथ, जिसके अंदर आप देख रहे हैं सहर, परम और हमारे करण के नए ग्रोन अप किरदारों को। जहां एक तरफ परम का किरदार शहजादा दामी निभा रहे हैं, वहीं दूसरी तरफ निमृत कौर लौट के आई है सहर के रूप में। लेकिन आज हमारे साथ जुड़ने वाले हैं करण यानी कि अधिक, और वो निभा रहे हैं ये किरदार और है काफी एक्साइटेड अपने इस शो के लिए। तो आइए चलिए मेरे यानी विशाखा के साथ बुलाते हैं अधिक को और जानते हैं वो क्या बताना चाहते हैं अपने इस किरदार के बारे में, प्रिपरेशंस के बारे में, एंड अ लॉट मोर स्टोरीज बिहाइंड एक्चुअली bagging Choti Sardani and meeting Avinash Rekhi. Well, I would begin firstly with a 20 years old leap. इतना लंबा leap शो में आने के बाद, you know, the characters who are joining now, they have a huge responsibility. और उसी character में से one of the main characters is Karan, जो निभाने वाले हैं अधिक हमारे साथ जो इस टाइम पे जुड़े हुए हैं। अधिक, firstly, welcome to Telechakkar. Pleasure having you today here with us.
Pleasure is all mine. Thank you so much.
Do you feel any pressure? Do you feel any excitement, burden? What do you feel right now, you know, being a part of Choti Sardani, and that too 20 years leave ke baad ka, you know, like huge responsibility.
Yeah. There's only one emotion for me right now, which is I'm hell excited. Why? Because there's no nervousness, there's no pressure for me, to be honest. Because I'm going to be nervous only about my acting, if I'm going to perform right or wrong. That is what I'm just concerned about. I'm not about concerned like leap ke baad what's going to happen or what's going to not happen, because it's all the writers take. जो भी writers लिखेंगे, we all have to just follow that. So, and I'm sure writers हमारे इतने brilliant हैं that they're going to bring some great amount of entertainment for the people who are watching Choti Sardani and keeping up with the Choti Sardani for so long. And I'm very much excited because when I got the confirmation that I am the one who's playing the part of Karanjit Singh in Choti Sardani, I was way excited because at that time I was in Delhi and I was, you know, shifting my house. And while in the middle of shifting, I got a call that I have been locked for the show, and I was like, I just wanted to, you know, scream on the roads because I was on the roads and I was riding my bike. So I wanted to scream that, yes, finally, you know. So right now, but when I started shooting my first day on set for Choti Sardani, it was amazing experience. All the production people are such skilled people. The directors are so cool to work with. And before the day of shoot, we all gathered a day before for a, you know, actors meetup for readings of the upcoming scripts and all. We all used to, you know, meet with the directors, and he used to, you know, brief us about what's going to happen and how we have to play, how much burden is there on our shoulders. So हमें इतना realize नहीं था जितना उन्होंने करा दिया कि कितना burden आने वाला है हम पे.
Well, in that case, I would say that, you know, फिलहाल, if I would say that over the years, Karan and Param के बीच में लड़ाई झगड़ा has intensified, and you know the bond, even though they know that they are brothers, but then you know that दूरियां is a lot. So what do we have to say about, you know, the on-screen and the off-screen bonding with Param? I would say Shehzada.
Shehzada. So first, if I'm going to talk about the off-screen bonding, it's amazing. You know, like we've been shooting together for a week now, and we all mostly have lunch together only, or we are chit-chatting once there's not a take. So we all are in one makeup room and we all are chit-chatting and, you know, discussing about our earlier shows, earlier experiences. And so it's a very amazing environment. So when we go to the set, then we have to switch roles, right?
Yeah.
But because we hate each other right now. We are not proper hate, but there's some different, you know, there's no connection between us right now, because the main thing is about us here, that he's saying that I'm going to do this and I'm saying I'm going to do this, but better than you. So this is the main thing which we are fighting about. So, but wo set pe jaake we get into that character, because once we are chit-chatting, then the scripts come and hum scripts usko rehearse karte hain. Before going to the set, we rehearse it about like 3 to 4 times. And then we get into the character, then we go to the set. तो हम उसी mood में, उसी character में होते हैं. Then directors tell us that ये आपको, like this is, because see, we all, as an actor हमें homework करके तो जाना ही पड़ता है before we present ourselves to the directors, because he also has to see ना कि ऐसे ही नहीं बस उठ के आ गया. He also has worked on his script. So this is the main part of being an actor. So that we do because we know कि maybe we are not realizing it right now, but we know that I'm not talking about him, but myself, I'm not realizing that इतने burden हमारे पास है इस चीज को लेके. But yeah, it is. So we are trying our 100% to give our best for this. And yeah, लड़ाई झगड़ा होने वाला है और आगे, but वो entertaining way में ही होगा. इतने एकदम मारपीट आए hope ना हो.
So how did you get the fans' reaction? Because I remember when we shared out the promo, some of them were really happy, seeing how Karan and Param have grown up. They were asking for Param because तब तक वो reveal नहीं किए गए थे. But few of them were not really happy. They were like, "Arey, we want Meher and Sarab back. We don't want them and all that whole drama." So how was your experience with when promo came out and people got to know you are Karan?
Exactly. So when the promo came out, first of all, I was so happy because Colors TV, they've been publishing our promos and all. And secondly, I've been getting lots and lots of DMs, good DMs, and 2-3 bad DMs also.
Good, you specified that. Good, you specified that. Good DMs.
Yeah. Good DMs. So people see, because they are not fans, they are just family of this Choti Sardani, because they are so much in connection with this Choti Sardani na, that उनको लगता है कि अगर ये भाई तो ये हमारे घर में लड़ाई हो रही है. So they are so much connected with this, right? So I get DMs also कि यार please आप मत लड़ो ना पर हमसे, why are you fighting it? तो उनको इतना ऐसा हो रहा है ना कि अपने घर में लड़ाई हो. So I'm so glad that I'm part of this amazing show कि यार लोगों को अपनी family ही I am now कि I am believing that कि people are part of this show. And secondly, all about the negative comments, I have no issues with that because see, I'm also from a journalism background because I've done my graduation from journalism in journalism and mass communication. So I know people have the right to say either it's good or bad. So उनकी मर्जी है, वो बोलेंगे. Obviously हम कोई होते नहीं उनको मना करने वाले because ये उनकी चीज है. और secondly, if I talk about Seher and Sarab and Meher, so obviously उन्होंने मम्मा पापा ने तो इतना बड़ा स्टैंडर्ड सेट कर दिया हम लोगों के लिए कि उनके भी हम उनके नक्शे कदमों पे चल सकते हैं लेकिन उनकी जगह नहीं ले सकते. Like,
so did you get to meet or maybe did Avinash send some voice note or some good luck wishes for the guys for you two?
I met him like we were shooting like 4 to 5 days back, and then they all were shooting on the same set only because abhi like there are lots of shifts happening. Like now there are 3 directors. They are shooting different locations, and because हमें post leap का भी खत्म करना था. Then अभी जो ongoing शहर का भी track है, then अपने brothers का भी जो भी ongoing track है, so सब इकट्ठा manage करना is not possible. So तब when there was this one day when all 3 shifts were happening at the same location. So then we all met. I met Avinash sir, and first of all he's so handsome, and उनको देख के I was like कि okay. मैं समझता था सब actually होता है ना, सब समझते हैं कि हमसे ज्यादा खूबसूरत तो इस दुनिया में कोई भी नहीं है. But when I saw him, I was like, okay.
I'll correct myself.
Okay. It's nice to meet you, sir. मैंने उनको बताया because when the casting of the show was happening, first casting of the show was happening like 2 years back. So I was doing Bepana Pyar. Okay, for the Balaji. So उस time पे उससे when I got that show also ना, तो उस time पे when I was auditioning for. So I met Avinash sir, not personally like hi hello, but I saw him auditioning for this role. So जब मैं उनसे first मिला था, तो तब मैंने उनको ये चीज बताई थी कि when you were auditioning for this role in the production where I was also happened to be there. So तब मैंने आपको देखा था, like it was a fan moment for me कि हाँ सर मैंने आपको देखा था, मैंने आपको पहले भी देखा हुआ, तो मैंने आपको तब भी देखा था छोटी सरदारी में audition करते हुए. So whenever I meet these senior celebrities or people who have gained a lot from this industry, I always look up to them as their personal fan, to be honest. When I met Apna Mehta, who's playing our Big B in serial, Apra Mehta. So I was like कि इतनी senior actor के साथ हम अभी कल के आए हुए बच्चे perform करने वाले हैं, तो इट्स लाइक कैसे करूंगा यार. देन उसके बाद धीरे धीरे शी मेड अस कंफर्टेबल एंड उसके बाद वो एक बॉन्डिंग क्रिएट हो जाती है.
ब्रेक द आइस मोमेंट हो गया.
एग्जैक्टली, ब्रेक द आइस मोमेंट हो गया था. बट शी इज वेरी गुड. और फिर व्हेन आई मेट निम्रत ऑल्सो, जब हम सारे एक ही दिन शूट कर रहे थे, तो हम वी ऑल वर चिलिंग इन आवर मेकअप रूम्स, वी ऑल हैव लंच टुगेदर. तो शी इज ऑल्सो वेरी काइंड, वेरी हम्बल, हंसी मजाक. So basically हमारा क्या है, जब भी we used to chill in our makeup room ना, तो वहाँ हंसी मजाक is the main element. सब कुछ ना कुछ सबके पास sarcasm इतना है कि कुछ ना कुछ बोलते रहते हैं. तो वो इतना हंसी मजाक का environment बन जाता है.
But then do you have any मतलब have you done any kind of preparations करण के किरदार के लिए? Because obviously हर किरदार में एक अलग फैक्टर होता है जिसको अचीव करना पड़ता है. जैसे when I had a word with परम, यानी कि शहजादा, he is like कि परम में कहीं ना कहीं अविनेश यानी कि सरब की छवि है. So
Yes.
That's how he relates himself. So what do you relate yourself? How do you relate yourself with Karan?
First of all, when I was not following this show earlier because my mom used to follow. But see, हमारा होता है that we
What
are
was
not.
her reaction? What was her reaction when she got to know?
Was like, I'll tell you, we all were cleaning house, okay? Because हमें shift करना था, we were shifting at the time, we were cleaning house, and I was just cleaning my fridge, and I was like, mom, आपको एक चीज बतानी थी. She was like, यार अभी नहीं, let me finish this work, उसके बाद आराम से बात करेंगे शाम. मैंने कहा, I got the part. तो she was like, is it April? और so I was like, अरे believe me यार, I got the part of Karan. I'm playing Karan of छोटी सरदारनी. तो वो पहले तो मानी नहीं मम्मा. Then उसके बाद she was like, are you not kidding ना? No, obviously I'm not kidding. So first she was like excited, then she hugged me and I'm so proud of you and all. So वो reaction is like very precious for me.
Well, I liked, is it April? I like that. I love that line. I loved that line. But then talking about Karan, आपने उसके लिए कोई preparations किया है उस character में?
So when I started watching all the episodes, like for the Karan, basically how I'm gonna grab that character and how I'm gonna grab all those characteristics which the young Karan was playing. So I watched each and every episode still now for the Choti Sardani. I did my homework, and then I realized that Karan is like, maybe he can be called as the Jaan of this show, because he's the one who's gonna show each and every emotions. He's angry. He's the one who has the right to get a lot of anger, to show all of anger. Because what I have seen in Param is also, because उनका जो character है, he has to suppress his anger. He is that character. मैं एक बार आ गया तो मैं तो दिखाने वाला हूँ, मैं किसी की नहीं सुनूंगा. I am that character. So जो भी emotion है, the best thing about is usually in real life I'm like अगर मेरे को गुस्सा आएगा ना, तो I'll suppress it. कि ठीक है यार, इतना गुस्सा दिखा के क्या ही मिलेगा. Let it go. Life छोटी है, हर पल यहाँ जी भर जियो type. But in this because I'm not gonna play Adhik in this show. I'm gonna play Karan. So मुझे कि अगर मुझे गुस्सा आ रहा है ना, तो I'll show. अगर मुझे रोना आ रहा है, I'll show. अगर मुझे हंसी आ रही है, I'll show. So this is what I like about Karan here.
He's pretty much crystal clear, I would say. Like
Exactly.
you are not very much.
He's very crystal clear.
Filter.
Yeah.
You might still filter. He might not filter.
He might not filter. He's like,
well,
so basically this Param और इसका यही है कि Param is like कि I'll do this for Saif. So I'm like कि I'm not like कि हाँ आप नहीं कर सकते ये चीज. I also do, लेकिन आपसे better करके दिखाऊंगा. I'm this.
Well, thank you so much guys for watching this fun chat session with me, Vishakha Pandit, जहां आज मेरे मेहमान थे आप लोगों के कारण, यानी कि अधिक. जी हाँ, आप लोग इस शो को फॉलो करते रहिएगा ये जानने के लिए कि करण, परम एंड सहर की जिंदगियां आगे कैसे बदलने वाली हैं. And until then, this is me signing off for now. You stay tuned to Telechakkar for all the more updates about the Tele world.
Know all about the Tele world by subscribing to Telechakkar's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.